Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sheyi Dairo. Today, let's talk about how to add your local bank card to your Alipay app or Alipay account. How to add your ATM card or let's say local bank card to your Alipay account. So this is my own Alipay account. So we are going to talk about how to add your ATM card or let's say local bank card to your Alipay app or Alipay account. But before we go further, if you are very new to my YouTube channel, just click on subscribe button here, and when done that, you will see this bell beside here. Just turn it up and select all. And if you think this video makes sense to you, please just give me a like here. I will really appreciate it. And if you have anything to comment about, just drop your comment here. I'll be happy if you can share this video to your loved ones. It will help to make this YouTube grow very fast. I appreciate you for doing that. Let's go to the business of the day. How to add your local bank card to your Alipay account. I will explain why you need this. I will explain, but let's just assume that you understand why you need to add your local bank card to your Alipay account. So the first step to do is to click here. Click me. When click on me, you will go to bank card here. You can see bank card. Click on this bank card, or you can click at the front here. Anyhow you feel like, just click. So when click on it, if this kind of thing comes up, just click on this plus blue one here. Just click on it. No need of translation or whatever. So just click on it like this. All right. Next thing is to input the 16 digits. If it's Nigeria here now, it's the 16 digits number. So you just put this 16 digits, that's number, put it inside, input it here, this place. You are going to input it here. There are some local bank card that is more than 16. You'll be seeing like 19 digit numbers. So don't even disturb yourself. You're not able to add it here. So go and look for, go to your bank, get your ATM that is a 16 digits number there. Just input it here. Now I will be typing my own here, but pending the time I will pause this video. All right, next is to click submit. Great. So here now I have to input information on this ATM card, that's local bank card, and information I'll be putting here now should be according to the information I provided for my bank when I'm creating this account, or the recent information or data with my bank account. So that I'm using this ATM, right? So I will start from here now. Name on card. So the name on my card is Dairo Sheyi. So I'll take my time to fill this now. Let me see if I can. All right, then this one I will explain this. I may not fill everything because this is my privacy, so I have to be very careful in inputting some of the information here. So you can see the expiry date. You have to put expiry date on your card, put it here. Then this CVV2 here, that three digit number at the back of your bank card, you have to put it here. Email address is optional. You can put it there also. Then billing address is also optional. You can put it there. Then you click on next. So let me take my time to put my own there now. So I'm done. Here now I will click on next. So I will click on next now. So success. Great. Then I will click on done. All right. So now I have my card. Please, if I may ask, why are we adding our local bank card to our Alipay accounts? Many people do not know reasons, but I want to tell you briefly about this. Years back, like 2 years ago, 2019, adding of the bank card to your local to your Alipay account now, the advantage we have there is that you can easily fund your Alipay account from your own currency to yuan. directly without involving money exchangers. Like what I just did now, I have I have it here now. So come here now. Let me just show you sample of what we're talking about. Look at my balance now. I'm clicking on balance now. You can tap on this top up here. You can tap on this top up and add add a fund to your wallet through your local bank card you have here. So the advantage we have here is that you don't need to be struggling around with the money exchangers before you're able to get yuan. You can easily buy yuan through your local currency and have it as a fund on your account, then buy anything you want. So, but now it's no more possible. I can't tell. Maybe tomorrow it will be possible. As of today, I'm talking to you now. Today's date is Saturday, August 21, 2021. So, as of now, as of today, it's not possible. Having this local bank card does not mean that you can buy yuan through your currency. No, 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 no. As of today. But the advantage you have as of now is that you can use this local bank card to fund your wallet through tapas. Through tapas. Let me go to tapas. See, through tapas here. Sorry. Close. I don't need it again. So through tapas here now. This is tapas. So the advantage is that you will need it for funding your tapas wallet. So that is why we need it, all right, as at now. But in future they may give us access again to buy yuan directly to our account through our bank card. So that's just information I have for you. If you are very new to my YouTube channel, I'm begging you, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I have many more valuable information I'll be sharing here with you. And don't forget to turn up this notification bell, because this is what will notify you anytime I'm dropping videos like this. And one more thing, give me a like, because this usually counts on me to know which of my video really making sense to my viewers. And don't forget to leave me a comment here. It goes a long way in making me feel motivated to do more things, right? Then I want you to please share this video to your loved ones. I love you. Bye bye for now.